Toyota has just proved that small trucks don't have to be overpriced, underpowered compromises. The Hilux Champ is going to deliver genuine work truck capability at a price that won't bankrupt you. If you've watched compact pickups transform from affordable workhorses into $40,000 lifestyle vehicles with cramped beds and weak towing numbers, the Hilux Champ is the answer you've been waiting for. While most small trucks sacrifice capability to hit fuel economy targets, this body-on-frame pickup is bringing payload ratings that shame mid-size trucks, bed lengths that rival full-size models, and legendary Toyota reliability. Let's reveal 6 reasons why the Toyota Hilux Champ proves small trucks don't have to suck. Number 6. It's genuinely capable where rivals disappoint. Small trucks have developed a terrible reputation when it comes to capability numbers. Towing capacities barely exceed what a V6 sedan can manage, and payload ratings seem engineered to haul nothing heavier than camping gear. The Hilux Champ is going to destroy these limitations with figures that shame many mid-size competitors. The max payload capacity is reaching approximately 2,200 pounds, a number that's going to exceed most mid-size trucks sold in North America. You're loading a pallet of concrete, a full-size motorcycle, or serious construction equipment without approaching weight limits. For contractors or small business owners, that payload capacity transforms a compact truck from a supplemental vehicle into a primary work tool. Towing numbers are equally impressive, with the Hilux Champ rated to pull around 5,500 pounds when properly equipped. Consider the weekend warrior who's been forced to rent a truck every time they need to haul their side-by-side to the trails. With 5,500 pounds of towing capacity, the Hilux Champ is going to handle that trailer without breaking a sweat. This capability exists because the Hilux Champ uses genuine body-on-frame construction, not the unibody platforms that most compact trucks rely on. That separate ladder frame chassis means the truck can support heavy loads without stressing the entire structure. When you load the bed with equipment or hook up a trailer, that weight is distributed through the frame rather than flexing a unibody shell never designed for serious work. But impressive capability numbers don't mean much if the truck can't adapt to different work requirements. Number 5. Multiple configurations and forced compromises. One of the most frustrating aspects of shopping for a small truck today is being forced into a single configuration. You're stuck with crew cab models and short beds whether you need passenger space or not. The Hilux Champ is going to break that mold completely. Toyota is offering this pickup in 3 distinct configurations, each one designed for a specific purpose. The double cab variant is going to provide seating for 5 while maintaining a usable bed. The single cab configuration is going to maximize bed length for cargo. The chassis cab option provides a bare platform that commercial operators can customize, whether that's a flatbed, service body, or custom upfitting. Picture running a landscaping business where every morning starts with loading equipment while your crew stands around because there's barely enough room. That's the reality with most compact trucks that sacrifice bed space for rear seats you'll rarely use. The Hilux Champ single cab is going to eliminate that frustration, giving you the bed length you actually need. Unlike American compact trucks that abandoned body variety years ago, the Hilux Champ is returning to the principle that trucks should adapt to work requirements. But having the right cab configuration means nothing if the bed itself can't handle real cargo. Number 4. Bed lengths that actually work for real cargo. Small truck beds have become a joke. Most compact pickups offer beds so short that a standard 4x8 sheet of plywood won't fit without the tailgate down. The Hilux Champ is going to destroy this limitation with bed options that reflect actual work requirements. The short bed configuration measures 5.9 feet, already longer than what most mid-size trucks offer. The long bed variant stretches to 7.2 feet, putting it within inches of full-size truck bed lengths. You're going to get near full-size hauling capability in a package that's easier to maneuver and costs significantly less. Anyone who's tried hauling lumber in a compact truck knows the headache of watching 8-foot boards stick out at an awkward angle, requiring red flags and constant anxiety. A 7.2-foot bed means 8-foot lumber fits without hanging out the back. It means furniture and appliances fit properly. It means you're not constantly calculating angles and worrying about securing loads that are too long. By offering genuine bed length options, Toyota is giving buyers real versatility instead of forcing them to choose between maneuverability and cargo capacity. So the bed is big enough to haul what you need, but that doesn't matter if the truck can't handle the terrain you're working in. Number 3. Off-road credentials that most compacts can't touch. Here's the brutal truth about most compact trucks. They're terrible off-road. Unibody construction, limited ground clearance, and suspensions tuned for highway comfort mean they struggle on anything more challenging than a gravel driveway. The Hilux Champ is going to inherit the off-road DNA that's made the Hilux a global overlanding legend. This truck is sharing its fundamental platform with the regular Hilux, the same pickup that's conquered the Arctic, crossed the Sahara, and survived conditions that would destroy lesser vehicles. That proven architecture means the Hilux Champ is getting approach angles, departure angles, and breakover angles that allow serious off-road capability. Ground clearance is going to be substantial, giving the Hilux Champ the ability to clear obstacles that would leave competitors high-centered. Four-wheel drive systems are going to include low-range gearing, a feature most compact trucks abandoned years ago in favor of all-wheel drive systems better suited for slippery pavement than technical trails. All that capability sounds great, but it's worthless if the truck spends more time in the shop than on the trail. Number 2. Bulletproof reliability built in from day one. Small trucks might be affordable to buy, but if they're spending half their life at the repair shop, that initial savings disappears fast. The Hilux Champ is going to leverage decades of Toyota's experience building indestructible trucks for markets that demand reliability. The powertrain options are proven units. A 2.7-liter gasoline engine that has accumulated millions of miles in Hilux applications worldwide. This isn't an experimental power plant rushing to market. It has proven it can run forever. The platform itself comes from the current Hilux, which has earned a reputation for surviving abuse that would kill other vehicles. The transmission options, the four-wheel drive system, and even the electrical components are going to use parts with established reliability records. Think about the small business owner who can't afford downtime because every day the truck sits in the shop is a day of lost income. The Hilux Champ's proven components mean you're not gambling on new technology that might fail at the worst possible moment. In a segment where competitors have struggled with transmission problems and engine failures, that proven dependability is worth thousands in avoided repair costs. And speaking of costs, there's one final number that's going to change everything. Number 1. Real affordability returns to small trucks. Here's the biggest reason small trucks suck right now. They're not cheap anymore. Compact pickups that should cost $25,000 are pushing $35,000 or more with optional equipment. The value proposition that made small trucks attractive has completely evaporated. The Hilux Champ is going to fix this problem. While exact US pricing isn't confirmed yet, the Hilux Champ is launching in markets like Thailand with starting prices equivalent to roughly $12,000 to $15,000. Even accounting for import costs and required safety equipment, this truck is going to undercut every compact pickup currently available. This affordability isn't achieved through cutting corners. The Hilux Champ keeps essential features like body-on-frame construction, genuine four-wheel drive, and proven powertrains while eliminating expensive technology most work truck buyers don't need. No massive touchscreens, no complicated infotainment systems, no driver assistance features that add thousands to the sticker price. Consider the young contractor who needs reliable transportation to job sites but faces $40,000 price tags. That pricing forces them into used trucks with unknown maintenance histories. The Hilux Champ is going to offer a brand new truck with a warranty for less than half that amount. For contractors, small business owners, or buyers who need basic transportation and cargo capacity, the Hilux Champ is going to represent incredible value. When you combine that low initial cost with Toyota's legendary reliability and low maintenance requirements, the total cost of ownership is going to embarrass competitors charging way more. The Hilux Champ is proving what the truck industry has forgotten. Small trucks don't need to be expensive compromises loaded with features nobody asked for. With genuine capability that beats most mid-sized trucks, multiple body configurations that let buyers choose the right tool, bed links that actually work for real cargo, off-road credentials inherited from the legendary Hilux platform, proven Toyota reliability that eliminates repair anxiety, and pricing that brings affordability back to the segment, the Hilux Champ is returning compact pickups to their original purpose as practical, capable work vehicles. This is what happens when a manufacturer focuses on solving real problems instead of chasing trends. You get a truck that doesn't suck. With the Hilux Champ, the market will get way more competitive, and established players are perfectly aware of that. That's why Ford is bringing major updates for the 2026 Maverick, and you can check them in our next video. The hybrid version is shaping up in particular, with the all-wheel drive version finally joining the lineup and significantly improved towing capacity.